Hi, welcome to our channel. The goal of our channel is to create high-quality educational videos that focuses on the past, present, and future of Islam. We also have great motivational and life-changing lectures.
On them shall be no fear, nor shall they grieve. Don't get stressed out, Muslims, over things that haven't happened yet. That's fear. And don't get stressed out over things that's already happened. Everything has been decreed. The most difficult pill for the Muslims to swallow is article number 6 of our deen, the qadr of Allah.
Our content promotes nothing but peace, unity, and understanding of the religion.
Our faith is based on mutual respect, and we want to show the rest of the world, like Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, all of those, they came preaching peace, tranquility, security for all nations.
The goal of our channel has always been to educate viewers about the religion and how to become a better human being.
Behave with the people in a respectful manner because your actions represent Islam. Do you know what responsibilities you're carrying on your shoulder when you say, I am a Muslim?
Visit the links provided in the description video and see how you can support our channel.